to Classy Mom Kitchen. I am so happy that you guys are able to join me today in making this video. Yes, you heard it right. You read it right. It is Classy Mom Kitchen. I am making this video because I was so inspired about making and cooking like different meals that is like low carbs, healthier meals, Weight Watchers friendly, WW friendly for my family and myself. I started Weight Watchers a little over a week and a half ago, and I thought that it would be a great idea for me to start making some low carbs and Weight Watcher friendly meals. I have been on YouTube and I have seen so many people make different Weight Watchers meals, meal prepping, grocery hauls, and it was fantastic. So I was inspired to actually start making my own Weight Watcher friendly meals and low carb meals and skinny tasting meals on YouTube so that other people can go out and see what other people make in their household as well. So yes, I started Weight Watcher over a week and a half ago, and I am very excited to start making meals and prepping meals and doing some grocery hauls and just enjoying doing what I do, you know, with my family and for you guys. So in the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be actually having a video upload every Thursday at 7:00 p.m. So next week Thursday, I'm going to have my first cooking video upload so you can kind of see what I am making and what I am cooking up for my family. Here in Wisconsin, it is so cold outside. This is the first time in a long time that we have had so much snow here in Wisconsin. So I'm so inspired to just start making some soups. Yeah, soups are very good for us. So chicken noodle soup is my favorite, but I'm going to be making different types of soups, and then I'm going to be preparing and cooking different meals for the holiday that's coming up. Yes, which I am so excited about. And then I'm also going to be just cooking little lunch meals for my family and dinner meals for my family. But every Thursday at 7:00 p.m. I am going to be uploading the video, so make sure you guys hit that bell that's next to the subscribe button so that you will know when my video be uploaded for on next week Thursday. But one website that I actually connected with that has really inspired me to start doing these low carb meals or WW friendly meals was Pound Droppers. It's www.pounddroppers.com. I'm putting it right here at the bottom of this video so you guys can go and check that out. I was so inspired because when I joined Weight Watchers, you know, they have like a connect. You can connect with the community all over the world, different people all over the world. You can see what they eat. You can see their meal preps. And so when I was on there, I noticed that I kept seeing people saying, oh, I made this meal and I cooked this meal and I got it from pounddroppers.com. So I'm like, oh, I'm gonna have to check that website out. So when I went on there and I checked the website out, oh my God, it inspired me. I was so inspired to just continue to like start cooking, you guys, and cooking low meals. And I know for a fact that I can do this, and I know that my family will enjoy me cooking these healthy start meals. So yeah, I wanted to come on here. I just wanted to upload this video to let you guys know that that is something new that I'm going to be doing. I'm a part of Weight Watchers now, and I want to be able to just get my health back in place, you know, and just exercise and eat healthy, not only for me but also for my family. You guys, you have been coming onto my video channel for a very long time, so you guys should already know to hit that subscribe button as well as hit that bell that's next to the subscribe button so that you guys will know when my next video is uploaded. Give this video a thumb up if you guys think it's a good idea, and also, you know, comment and let me know what kind of videos you guys want me to make as far as meal prepping, you know, grocery haul, going shopping at Aldi's and Trader Joe's, which is my favorite. You know, just let me know what you guys think would be a really good video for me to upload as well. But that is all I have to share with you guys. Do not forget episode 1, season 1 of my Classy Mom Kitchen videos will be uploaded every Thursday at 7 o'clock p.m. Do not forget it. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.